50 phrasal verbs in English. Breakdown. My car broke down on the way to work. Bring up. She brought up an interesting point during the meeting. Call off. They called off the wedding due to unforeseen circumstances. Come across. I came across an old photo album while cleaning my room. Figure out. I finally figured out how to use this software. Get along. I get along well with my colleagues. Give up. I gave up smoking last year. Look after. She looks after her younger siblings. Put off. They put off the meeting until next week. Turn up. She turned up at the party without an invitation. Run out of. We ran out of milk, so I need to go to the store. Take after. She takes after her mother in appearance and personality. Set up. They set up a new company last year. Bring out. The company brought out a new smartphone model. Hold on a minute. I shall be right back. Make up. He made up an excuse for being late. Run into. I ran into my old friend at the mall. Look up. You can look up at the meaning of the word in a dictionary. Back up. I always back up my files to avoid data loss. Carry on. She carried on talking despite the noise. Give in. After a long argument, he finally gave in. Storm. The storm cut off our electricity supply. Put on. She put on a beautiful dress for the party. Turn down. He turned down the job offer. Check out. I shall check out that new restaurant this weekend. Go on. Please go on with your story. Come up with. She came up with a great business plan. Break up. They broke up after 5 years together. Get rid of. I need to get rid of these old clothes. Pick up. I shall pick you up from the airport. Looking forward to. I am looking forward to my vacation. Call back. I shall call you back in 5 minutes. Come over. Why don't you come over for dinner? Turn off. Please turn off the lights before leaving. Take off. The plane took off on time. Keep up with. I can't keep up with your fast walking pace. Come down with. I think I'm coming down with the flu. Hold back. She couldn't hold back her tears at the funeral. Go out. We went out for dinner last night. Bring back. This song brings back so many memories. Put away. Please put away your toys after playing.